Today, we'll learn English with only 5 important tenses.
1. Present simple daily habits. Structure. Subject plus verb. I wake up at 7 a.m. She drinks coffee every morning. They go to school by bus. 2. Present continuous happening now. Structure. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing. I am eating breakfast. She is reading a book. They are playing football. 3. Past simple finished action. Structure. Subject plus verb past form. I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her grandmother. They played cricket last week. 4. Future simple future plans. Structure. Subject plus will plus verb. I will study English tonight. She will call her friend. They will travel next month. 5. Present perfect life experience recent action. Structure. Subject plus have has plus past participle. I have finished my homework. She has visited Lahore.
They have eaten dinner. Quick practice. Present simple. I walk to school. Present continuous. I am walking to school. Past simple. I walked to school yesterday. Future simple. I will walk to school tomorrow. Present perfect. I have walked to school many times. Master these 5 tenses, and you can handle most everyday English conversations.